Okay, you should have already snapped your screens so that you have both of your screens side by side. That way you'll be able to see on one side our instructions and the things that we're learning. On the other side you'll be able to do your practice. Here we are in the spreadsheet where we will be doing our practice. Now for a moment we're going to go back to our spreadsheets document that we're learning from. We're going to start in the yellow section, navigation through the sheet. To save the data and move to the beginning of the next row, press Enter. Go ahead and fill that in if you haven't filled that in yet. We'll go ahead and go through all of these at the same time and then we'll practice them one at a time. To save the data and move to the right in the same row, press Tab. To move one cell in any direction, use the arrow keys to move in that direction. And to move any cell that is not close by, you can use your cursor to click and drag or to click on that cell. Now let's practice. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and put our name in cell A1. A1 is the intersection of the letter A and the number 1, right here. I'm going to put in my name. Okay, when I press Enter, it is going to go down to the next cell. Just like it says in number 1, to save the data and move to the beginning of the next row, press Enter. So I just did just that. I entered in my data and press Enter, and because Google Sheets saves as you go along, that is now saved. Now let's take a look at number 2. To save the data and move to the right in the same row, press Tab. So now I'm going to put the class period. I'm just going to say that we're in period 1A. Then I'm going to press Tab to go one cell to the right. There, I pressed Tab and I went one cell to the right. As we saw from number 3, you can move any direction using the arrow keys. Just play with that for a moment. Down, down, down. Right, right, right. Up, up, up. Left, left, left. That's an easy way to move one cell at a time to where you want to go. Number 4, move any cell that is not close by. You can use your cursor to click on that cell. Anywhere I want to go, I just move my cursor and I click there. And that's where I have an active cell where I can enter in information. Now we're going to move on to the green section. If you want to add a lot of data at the same time, or en masse, without manually entering the data, there are 4 ways to do that. We'll go ahead and fill in this section, and then we'll talk about each one. Number 1, you copy and paste a list of text or numbers into your spreadsheet. So, for example, you've done this before. You have probably copied information from one Google Doc to another just by Control Copy and then Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Number 2, copy and paste an HTML table from a website. Sometimes when you find a table on a website, it will actually be an image and it will not be something you can copy and paste. But many times a table is set up properly through HTML as a table and you can copy and paste it. Number 3, you can import an existing spreadsheet in CSV, XLS, XLSX, and other formats. CSV is kind of a bare bones data type of document. XLS and XLSX are 2 different types of Excel documents, so you can import those types of documents into Google Sheets. Number 4 in the screen section, copy any value in a cell across a range of cells via a click and drag. We're now going to look at these and how that works with our website. First of all, let's just try copying text into our website. If you will highlight this section by clicking and dragging to the end of it, and then do Control C at the same time, you will then go over to your spreadsheet and put your cursor in cell A3. That is column A, row 3. Then I'm just going to press Control V, and the information that I just copied, I was able to move over to my spreadsheet. So I didn't have to enter that all in, I was able to copy it, and most of you are used to that feature through Google Docs. The same thing, if I found an HTML table on a website, this number 2, I could copy that table, and I could do the same thing. Control V, paste it into this document wherever I wanted. To import, well, I think we'll cover that one later. It's kind of a more advanced feature, and you may not even need to know it, but you need to know that it exists. Now, to copy any value in a cell across a range of cells through a click and drag is a really cool feature, and we're going to learn how to do that in many ways. First of all, let's just try a simple table, and I'm going to pause in just a second because the lights in my room went out. Well, I don't know, maybe I won't pause. Okay, I'm going to create a simple table. I'm going to put borders around my table. I'm going to put borders around each one. And I'm going to make this a table that measures my exercise activity every day. So I'm going to put Monday in this cell. I'm going to enter it, and then I'm going to go back to it. And I have this little square box in the lower right-hand corner. That allows me to click and drag. Now there are 2 different types of click and drag. Monday, Google Sheets recognizes as part of a series. And so when I click and drag Monday, it's going to copy Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so forth. On and on as long as I want it to do that. Now if I have a number or a name, let's just say, I'm just going to say day of the week. Let's just say I want that at the top of every single column. So I'm going to put my cursor into that little box, the autofill box, and I'm going to drag all the way across. And every single one says day of the week. I copied it. I'm also going to show you can do that down, and then I'm going to, in just a moment, undo what I did. But I can drag it down, and I can also drag a whole section across, just like that. You might want to practice that. Take a moment to practice that. But I am going to undo that because I want to show you how to do a series. So I started this series. Google Sheets recognizes this as part of a series. And when I click and drag all the way across, it has filled in my days of the week for me. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next section, and we'll talk a little bit more about this autofill feature in just a moment. But let's go ahead to our sheet and go to this gray section. This is where we're going to talk more about autofill. So number 9, the small blue square called autofill is located in the lower right-hand corner of a selected cell and can be used to copy several things, including the following. Number 1, it can copy a cell's data to a number of neighboring cells, including formatting. Number 2, it can copy a cell's formula to neighboring cells. And number 3, it can create consecutive numbers and other consecutive data. So here in number 10, you should have put formula. Here in number 9, you should have put autofill. And here in number 11, you want to put dates, numbers, days, and hours. And we're going to try to practice each one of those. And number 4, create consecutive number lists preceded by a title. We're going to now practice that part of in Google Sheets. So let's go back to our document. I have a limited space for recording, so I can't set my document side by side like you have yours. But if you'll go ahead and go to the sheet side, we're going to practice some of these skills. Okay, so first of all, let's see. Let's take a look. First of all, we just actually did copying data to neighboring cells. I showed you with days of the week. I'll just show you again really quickly. You can go drag to the right. You can drag down. Or you can highlight a whole section. And once that whole section is highlighted and you let go of your cursor, you will have that little blue box and you can drag down and copy large sections of data. I'm going to now erase that again. Okay, number 2, you can copy a cell's formula to neighboring cells. So let's use this example that I won 1,000 packages of gum, and I want to share them with my friends. And I want to figure out how many packs of gum I'll be able to share with various different numbers of friends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a formula figuring out what if I give my gum to 20 friends, or what if I give it to 19 friends. Now, because I have put 20 and 19 in a row, if I highlight both of those and drag, Google Sheets is going to know that I want to continue going one by one smaller. So let's go ahead and do that all the way down from 20 to 1. So just keep on dragging, and I can erase some later, but I'm just going to guess. Oh, I guessed it right on. So I just clicked and dragged, and I went from 20 to 1. Okay, so I have 1,000 pieces of gum. That means I need to set up a mathematical formula. And we're going to learn this in our next little section. What I'm going to tell you right now. What you need to create a mathematical formula is an equal sign before the formula, not after the formula. So when I put an equal sign into this cell, it tells Google Sheets what I'm going to put after the equal sign is equal to whatever I put there. So what I'm going to say is I have 1,000 packs of gum. And I'm going to divide that by, oops, I did a question mark, but I meant to do a slash. I'm going to divide that by various different numbers of friends. But first I'm going to start with 20. So I did equals 1,000 divided by, I'm not going to put in 20 because I don't want to have to repeat this formula over and over. So instead I'm going to click on 20, and then I'm going to press enter. Okay, so if I wanted to give this to 20 friends, I would give each friend 50 pieces of gum. Or, sorry, 50 packs of gum. Wow, that's a lot. Maybe we should have started with a higher number. But let's just stick with the numbers we have. So if I copy that formula to this cell, it's going to take that same formula, 1,000, divided by the number that is right above it, and it will do that for every single cell. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy the formula that I created. The formula equals 1,000 divided by the clicked cell above that cell. I'm going to drag that all the way across to the end of my table, the end of the numbered row that I created. I just drag, 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 drag until I get to the very end, and then I'm going to press enter. Wow, so we can see that this accurately divided every single number. 1,000 divided by 19, 1,000 divided by 20, 1,000 divided by 15. And maybe it wasn't a great example, but you get the idea of what to do. Now let's go back to, now let's look at dates. Now I'm going to put in today's date, 12/6/2018. Because I entered that in date form, the spreadsheet is going to know that I want to, that this is a date. And I can drag this down and it will go forward one day at a time, for as long as I drag. But let's say I want to go forward 1 week at a time. In order to do that, I have to enter 12/6 in one cell, and then 12/13 in another cell. And then I need to highlight the 2 cells, and it will automatically fill up every space that I autofill to with 1 week ahead. Can you see how that worked? The same works with hours. Let's say that I want to make a chart. I'm going to do 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to tell my spreadsheet that this is in the form of time. Let's say I want to plan a schedule that goes from 5 o'clock in the morning every 15 minutes for the whole day. So I'm going to highlight those 2. Actually, I'm going to copy this format to here. It didn't seem to automatically copy. And then I'm going to highlight those 2 cells and drag. And you see that that works. And I'm almost out of my video time, so I will have to create another video for the rest of this spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot.